straight line. I'm not speaking English.
Ah, you not speaking English?
Oh.
Boss, I am Malaysian.
Huh?
Malaysian.
Malaysian?
Oo. No Filipino. I from Baliwasan. I want to go to mall. Mall KCC.
Yes.
Where?
There other.
Where?
There other.
Where?
There other.
There?
This is straight line.
Straight line.
Yes.
Straight line.
Hindi kayo Makati pa.
Far? Very far?
Oh, direct lang.
Direct?
Oh.
Just straight, direct?
Straight line.
Straight line. You mean I follow straight line?
Yeah. Yes.
I just follow straight line.
Yes.
This line.
Yes.
Far, very far, KCC. Far, very far.
Oh, KCC. Diretso lang. Direct. Straight line. I'm not speaking English.
Ah, you not speaking English?
Oh. I'm speaking Tagalog.
Ah, Tagalog. You Tagalog or Muslim or
Muslim.
Tausug? Oh, you Tausug. Ah, I don't speak Tausug. I am Malay.
Malaysia?
Malaysia. People tell me mall KCC there.
No. There.
Not there.
Not there. There.
There. Oh. My goodness. They tell me you go, I go straight there. There.
No. Alimpapa.
There. What there?
Alimpapa.
Alimpapa?
Kodo. There. KCC.
KCC.
You go to one mall.
Yeah, mall.
You there.
KCC.
So straight line.
Straight.
Going to mall.
Straight line going to mall. Just follow straight line.
Yes.
Ah. Okay. What you sell? What you sell?
Huh?
You sell what?
Antones. There.
There the mall.
Alimpapa.
Ah, okay.
Not there.
Ah, okay.
There is
Ah, okay. You Tausug. Okay. Okay na. Bro, magsukol ka niyo, ha? Sukol. Bro, It's a prank. Ano yung kagawin, bro? Ano yun eh? Bubungkong? Punjong. Pila yung punjong ini?
Tupilak.
Ha?
Angko.
Angko pilak.
Huwag makaingat maninilong mo. Nag-open din.
Ha?
Nag-open?
Oo, nag-open. Shoutout. Pa-shoutout ka mo. Shoutout ka mo.
Shoutout ka mo.